If you want to check warranty on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we're gonna open the settings, scroll all the way down in settings, and go to About Phone. Then, over here, we should be able to find the status information, and then we want to go to IMEI information. And you want to press and hold your finger on the IMEI for SIM card number 1, so this at the top over here. You will copy the IMEI number like that. Next up, we want to open a browser, and then over here you can start searching for IMEI check. And you should be able to find a bunch of different websites which allow you to check some information about the phone, including the warranty. So you can pick any of them, whichever you prefer to use, if you have any preference, of course. In my case, I'm going to use the imeicheck.com, although this is not like a suggestion or anything, this is just an example. And we're going to tap on the Check IMEI over here. And there we go, we have the feedback, and as you can see, the warranty status in this case is active. We have the estimated end date, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.